Today's day 3 of Mont-Sainte-Anne.
Yes.
We're gonna watch downhill race.
Excited?
Oh yeah, you?
Yeah, I've never seen it before.
Me neither. Now we are going up the mountain by gondola. In the morning, junior racers are practicing. We are so excited to see how fast the world best riders are gonna be.
Oh, yeah.
Even though we can see them riding briefly each section. We are planning of coming down slowly as we watch the race.
This is her race run. This is her time to shine, honey.
Yes, time to shine. Now junior women's race has started. Men are coming down. After junior finished their race, elite riders are coming down for the last practice. Now it's elite women's turn to race.
Let's go!
Come on, come on!
Now crowds are waiting for elite men to come down. It's crazy here. Okay, that was really exciting race. A few days later, we actually rode those trails, XC course and downhill course, and that was really gnarly.
It sure was.
Yes. So those videos are coming maybe next 2 weeks or so?
Something like that.
Yeah, something like that.
So keep an eye out for those. Make sure you subscribe so you get them in your feed.
Yes.
Hit the notification bell. Anyways, till next time.
Thank you for watching.